it didn't bother me so much until I would see pictures of myself with my grandkids or other people and just notice the very thin spots in my hair. I've always been one that liked to take care of myself and not necessarily pride myself in my appearance, but just have the confidence to go out and feel good about how I looked. And that was gone basically after seeing the photos, and I didn't want anybody taking pictures of me. Leslie's great to work with. She's fun, very energetic, and made everything just seem normal. Oh, this is no big deal. We'll just pop this on you and look, you're beautiful. And it was really that simple, and it was just a really good experience. I feel like women's hair loss just needs to be more normalized, and there shouldn't be any shame or stigma attached to that. And so I'm trying to build enough confidence to tell everybody what I'm doing, but at the same time, it's like, yeah, there's still that little bit of pride and shame that's still mixed in there. So I'm still new at it, but I think that you don't know what you can get back until you actually come to a place and meet someone like Leslie who can just make you feel great about yourself in that transition time.